How much does exterior paint cost? Got worn-out shutters that need some TLC with fresh exterior paint? Or how about sprucing up some tired-looking stucco siding? If you pick subpar exterior paint, it won't last as long and lose its vibrant color more quickly. Let's talk about the cost and other details about this particular paint job. 1. How much paint do you need? According to the pros, to cover 300,400 square feet, you need between 8-10 gallons to coat a 2,500 square foot home's exterior siding. Since at least 2 coats are recommended, this can mean you need 16-20 gallons of exterior paint. Figure the cost per exterior paint can. The cost per exterior paint can is between $20–30 per gallon for mid-tier to low-quality paint. High-quality paint can easily cost $65 to $80 per gallon, but house painters prefer these brands. Figure the cost of exterior paint labor. The cost of exterior paint labor ranges between $25 to $100 per hour. Every painting contractor has rates that depend on their expertise and skill level. What is the average total cost of exterior painting? Since projects vary widely, as well as the type of paint and pro you hire, or if you DIY, the cost to paint a house exterior ranges from $1,800 to $13,000. Thanks for watching.